Hello everyone, I'm Joanne. Today let me introduce our 2-tank gas-phase refrigeration ultrasonic cleaner. First, operation is controlled via user-friendly PLC system. For dual-tank maintenance, we've integrated a smart lifting mechanism. A hydraulic cylinder paired with a linear guide ensures smooth, stable vertical movement, making tanks access effortless. To start the cleaning process, simply activate the ultrasonic function, running at the 40 kHz frequency with 3.6 kW of ultrasonic power. Each 375-liter tank delivers thorough cleaning for even the most stubborn contaminants. Now let's talk about the circulatory system. The first tank is equipped with a corrosion-resistant centrifugal pump and filter, allowing precise adjustment of circulation flow and pressure to maintain consistent cleaning performance. The second tank takes cleaning further with a vapor degreasing function, which enhances solvent efficiency for oil-heavy parts. To prevent solvent loss during operation, we've added a robust cooling system. 10 layers of cooling coils positioned above the working tank generate a steady flow of internal cooling air, minimizing solvent evaporation. From precision ultrasonics to smart lifting, efficient circulation to advanced cooling, this 2-tank gas-phase refrigeration ultrasonic cleaning machine is built to meet the demands of modern industrial cleaning.